Hello guys, my name is Christopher Soto Cruz and I am going to be talking about the week 4 reflection video for the brand development course in Full Sail University. And this video is about how those experiences throughout the month can help me on my future tasks and goals. And I would like to start talking about my personal brand brief. I think the part that I really appreciate from that project was that I get to integrate what I do as an industrial engineer and how I integrate that with visual art. And talking about visual art, I use that painting you see in my living room in my first slide to describe my loneliness statement. And I think that was the part that I enjoyed the most. And also, I get to use caricatures that I made in Adobe Illustrator to understand and uh, show you guys what my values and my coherence was. I would like to thank David Slivka because he helped me understand what my brand was, and he told me that by seeing my caricatures and that painting, it was all about being organic. So he actually took some of his time and he designed logos with colors and different fonts values that were very useful for me to understand what my brand was. And I would like to talk about my company brand brief overview also. And that was my second project of the month. And I did not know anything about contact lenses, so that's why I first chose to do Cooper Vision last month in my Defining Client Needs course. And in this course, I chose AccuView as my project company to be rebranded. So, talking about this section of the course, I read the textbook by Catherine Best, Design Management, and she has a diagram I'm going to be placing right now, right here. Um, and that diagram states that all marketing plans start with the customer and its needs. I think that's very, very important for us as media designers to know what exactly, specifically, that customer wants, so we don't go any other way, just the way that the customer wants. And once we know that, I think it's great to keep in mind the questions that Best also states in the textbooks. In the textbook, when she says, "How can that design help the business move towards the vision itself?" Uh, and that is very important. First, for the customer to know their vision very clear, and for us to understand that vision. And for example, in AccuView, I will use their technologies, their Hadro Clear technology, and their Blink stabilized technology to somewhat focus on that to be more innovative. Also, I would like to talk about the competitive analysis that I did, and I compared to AccuView, Air Optics, Biofinity, and Silsoft. Those three competitors, and all of them have different technologies that contribute for the eye to be more wet, or to block debris, or to just be more comfortable throughout the day or month. Also, I would like to talk about my SWOT analysis and my brand strategy. And I realized that we have to focus my rebranding process on innovation. So I think that integrating uh, AccuView as part of their daily activities, or family daily activities, would be great. And I will also use the Ice Bucket Challenge with an eye cartoon that I'm going to be placing here right now as well. I think that would be a great idea to attract that Generation Z and millennials, 16 years old to 20 years old, and then older adults, like 25, 35 years old, to see how your eyes are going to be wet, which is going to be as the ice bucket challenge, right? All soaked. And I think the demographics here are very important because in that way we can target that audience to bring a product, a new image, being modern and in a way that is simple to understand, easy to read. So that's why I think that in terms of education level, it will be for all levels. And in terms of international customers, I think it's very important for that website of AccuView to be in different languages. Starting with Spanish, of course. Yo hablo español, así que me encanta hablar la lengua. And so Spanish will be very, very useful. Chinese and French. Those are the major languages, and I think that would be the best idea for them to increase their sales. So this is my presentation. I hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.